In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add full color covers to Trello cards. Trello is an incredibly helpful tool for managing projects, organizing tasks, and collaborating with your team. Adding colorful and visually appealing covers to your Trello cards can help make your boards more organized and aesthetically pleasing. So let's walk through this process together, step by step, to ensure that you can achieve a visually stunning Trello board. First things first, head over to your Trello account. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and navigating to the Trello website. Once there, you'll be prompted to log in. Trello offers several different login options, so you can choose the one that suits you best, whether it's using your email address, Google account, or another method. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Trello board where you'd like to customize your card. Next, let's open the specific Trello card you want to apply a full color cover to. Simply click on the card to bring up its details in a sidebar on the right side of your screen. Now, locate the Cover button. This button is situated in the upper right part of the opened card view, and by clicking on it, you'll open up a variety of customization possibilities. You'll now be presented with two main options: adding color or adding an image. If you prefer a simple color cover, click on the Cover button again to access the color swatches provided by Trello. These swatches offer a range of colors for you to choose from. You also have the option to decide whether you want the selected color displayed as a header, a smaller, more subtle option, or as the full background of your card for maximum impact. On the other hand, if you're aiming for a more personalized touch, you might want to consider using an image instead. Trello allows you to upload your own images directly from your computer, giving you the freedom to use any photo you'd like. Alternatively, Trello also offers an integration with Unsplash, a popular free image repository. This means you can easily browse and select from a vast collection of high-quality images to find the perfect one for your card. Once you've made your choice, whether it's a bold color or a captivating image, just click to apply your selection. You'll immediately see your Trello card update with the new design. This visual enhancement not only makes your Trello board more attractive, but can also make it easier to quickly identify and differentiate between different cards. And there you have it. A simple way to add full-color covers to your Trello cards that adds flair and functionality. Enjoy the refreshed look of your Trello boards, and happy organizing!